What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and we're not heading to the exhaust shop. We're not doing the alignment today, guys. It's still not the weekend. It's barely Thursday, but I actually want to do something to the truck, and I want to show you the truck, how it's sitting now, because I know my last video was kind of cut short, and you know, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I want to do to the truck, and I want to get y'all's feedback. If y'all don't like it, let me know. I personally like them, but let's go downstairs, guys, and show y'all what I'm talking about, and we'll go from there. So she's a little bit more complete. You know, she's getting there, guys. She's getting there. What do y'all think so far? I like it. Can't wait to get that alignment done. Need some new headlights, but she's looking way better complete. All one color. Other than the roof, I still gotta work on the roof. Was thinking about doing the roof black, and this right here, guys, all of this right here, guys, is just temporarily. I am gonna get a paint job for her, but for right now, she's gonna stay like that. We're gonna enjoy her, and I don't know what color I want to go with it yet. So that's why this is the route I took. You know, I've been getting questions, you know, why, and it's because I'm not set on the color, and I'm really thinking going with a maroon. The back bumpers on. I still got the tape on there, guys, but she's looking way better. And the other side, guys, this side is still kind of dirty, but I cleaned the doors, and I was working on it today a little bit more. You could tell, you know, this quarter panel right here, still kind of dirty. The doors and the glass still dirty. Working on it. I'm working on it, guys. This mirror has no paint at all, but they are SS mirrors, and I hate that tire. It looks ugly as fuck. Ugly. But what you guys think? You know, she's sitting all one color for the most part. I think she looks way better than what she was. Loving this side, I ain't gonna lie, I'm loving it. But I got some stuff that I want to put on the truck, guys, and I don't know what y'all think. I'm gonna show y'all. I got a couple decals, you know, just a clone for the channel. The Trailblazer, she is a Trailblazer. The Troqueando, a little devil. And the logo, the Mexican League Racing, and I got it on the gas sticker also. I'm thinking about doing all the small stickers back here, maybe all down the center. What do you guys think? all down the center, and doing the on the gas, you know, where it usually goes, where usually everybody puts it, up on top. What do y'all think? Should I not? But what do you think about the truck so far, guys? This looks good. So yeah, guys, that's what I want to put on the truck. Should I put them on? I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Maybe not on the gas one, cause I know I'm gonna need help for that. But I'm gonna do the back ones for sure right now, and show y'all. Yeah, don't forget, guys, that those Trailblazer stickers, they say just a clone. I do have those for sale, and if you're interested, you know, you can always hit me up on Instagram, on Facebook. You know, I got them for $5. These right here, got them for $5. And everything that I get out of these guys, they go towards the truck, like regardless. You know, they go straight to the truck. It don't matter if it's for whatever, you know, for the car wash, for the vacuum, whatever. It don't matter. Everything that I get off those stickers, guys, is for the truck and for the channel, pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and slap those stickers on. And I'm gonna show you once I'm done. I could probably bring out the stand and see if I could record a little bit. But let's get going. Let's get it started. You know, it'll be a short video. All right, guys. So I got the transfer tape, the knife, the stickers. So what do y'all guys think? I think I did a little bit, I leaned a little bit to the right side, to this side. But, and it is what it is. You know, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna peel them off. Probably take off the XXX automotives. I'll probably take that one off and just leave these in the center. Drop y'all's comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Let me go ahead and peel these and show y'all. Man, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. What do y'all think? Y'all drop y'all's opinions. Do y'all like it? Should I gone with something different? As you could tell, it's gonna be pretty much the white and the red theme. That one has a little bit of green, but you know, that's their logo. It is what it is. It still looks good. Still looks good. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Hopefully I enjoyed the decals. I wanted to try and put the front one on, guys, but I know I'm gonna need help, you know, getting it real straight. I don't want to put it sideways or nothing. So that's gonna be it. Let me know what y'all think. Should I put the on the gas in the front and something else, or you know, I really like repping on the gas. You know, I think it's like a Houston thing. But what do y'all think, guys? Let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with that, guys. Don't forget my boy up there, God is good. And keep pushing, guys. Fuck what everybody says. Keep pushing. Catch you on the next one.